So Amanda, tell us a little bit about yourself and People's Press.
My name is Amanda DeRogers. I started People's Press 2 years ago now. I was on a climbing trip in Chattanooga and I walked into this juice bar and I was like, New Bedford needs this. We make cold pressed juices, superfood smoothies, soul bowls, which are acai bowls. We also have avocado toast.
And you make everything right here in downtown New Bedford?
Yes.
That's amazing. Yes. What made you want to get a security system for your new business?
I grew up in the area. Being downtown a lot and seeing the crime that goes on from other businesses, it just was something that I didn't want to deal with.
Yeah.
So I wasn't originally going to get one because I was on the busiest street in downtown New Bedford. But after talking with other local restaurants, they told me it was a must. I chose Alarm New England because of the do-it-yourself installation.
What did you like about the do-it-yourself installation option?
I did everything in the shop myself, so being able to install my own security system was perfect.
So can you tell us a little bit about what the installation process was actually like for your small business?
Yes, so I FaceTimed with Connie, the tech support person. I literally took my phone and I showed her around the whole space and she looked at the doors and she told me to put the alarm right at the door, right at the front, and then she took her to the back door. She told me the same thing, and then she told me the best place to put my camera, the best place to put the hub system. So it was so easy.
What do you like most about having a system, and how do you use it each day?
My favorite thing about the system is the code that I can give some of the employees to use so I can see when they come and they go.
Cool.
It's also great for employees that don't have the code yet.
Yeah.
I can literally disarm and alarm it right from my phone. If I walk out the door and I forget to turn the alarm on, I sit in my car and I just
turn it on.
Turn it right on, right from my phone.
So how do you use the camera as far as managing your business day to day?
The camera's great because I'll go to farmers markets and I'll have to leave the shop when people are working.
Yeah.
And we're open. So I can check out the camera on my phone. I can tell if it's busy or not, like how many people are in the shop, if I have to rush back, you know, or if I can kind of finish setting up slowly at the farmers markets and then come back.
That's awesome.